Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today, I am Muhammad Azwar Asfar bin Muhammadan from class DKN 2B. We'll talk about my assignment, the influence of music. This is the introduction of my topic. Music enhances social, emotional, and cognitive development. It improves memory, language skills, and communication while supporting speech, emotional understanding, and social bonding. Uplifting music boosts motivation, while negative tunes may affect memory. Research shows its benefit for learning, mental health, and relationship, highlighting the importance of integrating music into daily life and education. This is the contents that I will talk about. First, I will talk about how music and emotions affect memories. Then, music and the power of nonverbal communication. And lastly, music and language learning. Part 1. How music and emotions affect memories. From Nawas and Omiji 2023. Regarding aesthetic feelings, our findings showed that finding recall was inversely predicted by negative emotional responses, meaning that the more negatively a listener felt about the music, the lower their recall score was. Among the things that fall under the negative esteemas dimension are sentiments of ugliness, disgust, and boredom, since there is no proof that reward and encoding are related. Part 2. Music and the power of nonverbal communication. From O. Ruque et al. 2021. According to a neuropsychological study, nonverbal communication can create stronger bond than spoken communication. Nonverbal cues improve empathy and social connection because they activate the right hemisphere of the brain, which processes emotions and viewpoints without using words. Connections are strengthened by the deeper emotions that are frequently conveyed through body language, gestures, and facial expressions. This describes how a strong sense of connection can be established through and tough eye contact and shared experience, building meaningful relationships and developing deeper human connection beyond spoken language require an understanding of nonverbal communication. Part 3. Music and Language Learning. From Sharks and Juhas 2023. Studies have indicated a robust relationship between learning music and proficiency in foreign language. Research shows that learning music improves speech, perception, pronunciation, word stress, and sentence stress, all of which are important for learning a language. Developing auditory skills through music enhances one's capacity to identify speech patterns and sound. According to this link, listening skills, rhythm awareness, and sound processing are all improved by learning music, which eventually makes it simpler to understand linguistic structures and pronunciation. In conclusion, music shapes memory, emotions, and inspiration. Positive music boosts motivation, while negative feelings about music may affect memory. Musical training enhances language skill, speech, and rhythm. It also strengthens social bonds through nonverbal communication. Understanding these benefits highlights music's role in education and personal growth, making it a powerful tool for development.